everyone. So I have a story to tell. A few years ago, I went for my medical checkup, and when I saw my medical report, I was very worried when I saw the cholesterol reading. And it was pretty high, and I was advised to take medication. But I know that there are side effects should I start consuming the medication to control my cholesterol level. And those side effects include muscle soreness, fatigue, and in the long run, it could even lead to cognitive dysfunction as well as weight gain. So what I did was I decided to change my lifestyle by exercising as well as eating healthier. And just last year, I went for another medical check, and guess what? My cholesterol level was still not at that desired level. And I was wondering why I changed my lifestyle, but why was it that my cholesterol level was not improving at a rate that I expected to be? And this year, I came to know about metabolic health, and that is precisely why my reading wasn't showing any improvement. So what is metabolic health? So metabolic health is the full range of biochemical reactions that's happening inside our body. And there are indicators that will tell you whether you're metabolically healthy. And what are these indicators? They are your blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol and triglycerides, as well as your insulin sensitivity. Or the fact that my cholesterol level was still at an unacceptable level, so I knew that it has to do with my metabolic health. And being metabolically healthy impacts multiple areas of health and wellness, which includes our microbiome and gut health, vital organs such as our liver and our heart, our body's immune response, body's inflammatory response, as well as metabolism. So it just shows that having a good metabolic health is very important because it influences our overall health as well as how our bodies function. So if I ask you this question, are you metabolically healthy? Well, you'll be surprised that in a study done, they found that only 1 out of 8 individuals have optimal metabolic health. So what does that mean? 88% of us are metabolically unhealthy. And why is that so? So what is affecting our metabolic health? Well, metabolic health is a spectrum, so you can be at either end of the spectrum. Our today's lifestyle, it is so full of pressure and stress. We are working long hours, we are always eating on the run, and we are eating a lot of high-fat diet, not enough fruits and vegetables, not enough sleep. All this has caused our biochemistry to be out of sync, and that's the reason why we have become metabolically unhealthy. So yes, we are not perfect, but we can make lifestyle changes in order to improve our metabolic health. And why is it important that we must have good metabolic health? So that our body is able to respond whenever we make that poor lifestyle choices in our lives. And sometimes we can't really control. Okay, so let me give an example why having good metabolic health is important. Sometimes we do make that poor choice of eating high sugar loaded food. So when we consume food that has a lot of sugar in it, what happens is that the sugar is absorbed into our bloodstream, and as a result it will trigger insulin, and this will be taken into our cell. So in a metabolically healthy body, normal blood glucose response will look like the purple line. Small impact, but the body quickly returns to baseline. However, if the person is metabolically unhealthy and consistently make poor lifestyle choices, the body will respond like that of the red line. Much higher impact, takes longer to return to baseline if they do at all. It's important to be metabolically healthy so that we will worry less about lifestyle factors that sometimes can be out of our control. I'll just touch about some myths on being metabolically healthy. Some people think that, well, I'm slim, so I'm metabolically healthy. Well, that's not true. Or even if you think that you have high metabolism means you are metabolically healthy, that's not true either. And what if, like right now, we are going through this modern lifestyle? Does that mean that there's no hope for us to be metabolically healthy? Well, again, that is not true. Well, let me just share. Scientists have spent 7 years and they have found a way where we could target the source of metabolic health. And basically what we need is the right dosage of anthocyanins. Anthocyanins can be found in a lot of the blue, purple colors and red pigments in selected fruits and vegetables such as black currants, black rice, purple cabbage and cranberries. Benefits of consuming the right dosage of anthocyanins has proven to have effect on the overall tissues that's in our body, and that includes our fat tissue, muscle tissue, as well as our pancreas and liver. The study also shows that there is an increase in the insulin sensitivity in our fat tissue, hence helping to shift to a healthier metabolic state. Isn't that great? So consuming the right dosage of anthocyanins don't replace the healthy lifestyle choices. We still need to make a conscious effort to make healthy choices as we go on in life, but it complements. So it helps to move our body to a healthier metabolic state. And at the end of the day, what we're going to get is a better version of ourselves. So I hope my sharing has been helpful about what is our metabolic health and what we can do to shift our metabolic health to a better state. Because when you have good health, there's so many benefits that you can gain from that. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Bye.